The Sportsroyals Home Gym is an all-in-one multifunctional workout station designed to bring a comprehensive gym experience right into your home. At a price point of $439, this equipment offers a blend of versatility, durability, and innovation that appeals to both fitness novices and seasoned athletes. Crafted from commercial-grade steel, the structure is built to withstand rigorous training sessions, ensuring stability and safety throughout your workouts. With its integrated 154-pound weight stack and more than 50 possible exercise variations, this gym is engineered to adapt to your evolving strength levels while offering a complete body workout experience. One of the major advantages of the Sportsroyals Home Gym is its multifunctional design. It combines a wide range of exercise options in one compact unit, providing a workout regime that includes chest press, lat pull down, low row, preacher curl, leg extension, abs band exercises, calf training, back extension, and mid-row capabilities. This variety means that users can target nearly every major muscle group without needing to purchase additional equipment. Whether you are looking to build upper body strength, sculpt your core, or enhance your leg muscles, this gym offers an impressive range of exercises that can be performed with ease and efficiency. The design of the Sportsroyals Home Gym focuses on user convenience and stability. The equipment features a counterweight block that is protected by a steel plate cover, which not only adds to the machine's durability but also reinforces its stability during heavy workouts. The inclusion of non-slip feet pads ensures that the unit remains firmly in place, even during the most strenuous movements. This attention to detail in the construction is evident in the robust build quality, which many users have praised for its ability to deliver smooth, uninterrupted exercise sessions. Additionally, the adjustable backrest, preacher curl pad, and butterfly arms, all with 3 different positions, mean that the machine can be tailored to fit users of various heights and build types, ensuring a comfortable and ergonomic workout. Another significant highlight of the Sportsroyals Home Gym is its hassle-free installation process. The equipment is shipped in 4 separate packages, which might require a few days to receive in full, but the detailed installation instructions and step-by-step guidance video make the assembly process more straightforward. Customers have noted that the parts are clearly marked by steps, and even the screws are sorted according to the assembly stage. This organized packaging can be a real time saver during setup, although a few users have mentioned that the instructions could benefit from larger print and more detailed illustrations, particularly when it comes to the ropes and pulley system. Despite these minor challenges, most users have found that the provided resources, including online videos, help overcome any initial assembly difficulties. In terms of performance, the Sportsroyals Home Gym truly stands out. With a built-in 154-pound weight stack, the system provides ample resistance to suit a wide range of strength levels. This feature is especially beneficial for those who enjoy supersets and drop sets, as it eliminates the need for time-consuming adjustments between exercises. The integrated steel pivot pulley ensures that every movement is smooth and quiet, minimizing disruption for others in your household. Many users have remarked that the machine operates with a level of precision and fluidity that rivals more expensive, professional-grade equipment. This combination of high performance and affordability makes it an attractive option for anyone looking to build a versatile home gym without breaking the bank. Customer reviews reflect a generally positive reception of the Sportsroyals Home Gym. With an average rating of 4 out of 5 stars from 205 global ratings, users have expressed satisfaction with its overall value for money, noting its sturdy construction and extensive workout possibilities. Several reviewers appreciate the modular versatility that allows them to switch effortlessly between different exercise modes, and many have commented on the ease of use once the machine is fully assembled. However, there are occasional reports of missing parts during shipment and mixed opinions regarding the assembly process. Some customers have experienced issues with a part not aligning correctly, particularly with the weight channel, and have noted that customer support can sometimes be slow to resolve these issues. Despite these isolated incidents, the consensus is that the Sportsroyals Home Gym delivers on its promise of providing a reliable, multi-exercise workout station that enhances home fitness routines. Overall, if you are looking for an all-in-one solution to streamline your home workouts, the Sportsroyals Home Gym is a compelling choice. It combines durability, a wide range of exercise options, and user-friendly features into a single, space-saving unit. With proper assembly and a bit of patience, this equipment can transform your living space into a personal fitness center that caters to all your strength training needs. Whether you are a beginner or a fitness enthusiast, this home gym offers the versatility and performance required to elevate your workout routine, making it a valuable investment in your health and well-being.